The last step in this process is to make sure our SSL certificate is periodically renewed so that it doesn't expire. To do this, we'll be setting up a cron job in our cron tab, which is available as part of Ubuntu. If you are new to this process, cron tab is a list of commands that you'd like to run on a regular schedule. You can use cron tab for many different things. In this case, we'll set up a cron job in our cron tab to execute a command to renew our SSL certificate with our certificate authority. So let's go ahead and get started. Back in PuTTY, with my connection still active, I'll launch the cron tab with the following command. I'll press enter. It's going to ask me which text editor I want to use. I'll go ahead and choose Nano, which is number 2. Now with the cron tab open, I'm going to create the following cron job. I'm going to tap the down arrow key and I'm going to enter it right here. So this cron job will attempt to renew our certificate every Monday at 3:30 a.m. And this diagram shows an illustration of what each asterisk means in the cron job format when replaced with a value. Each time this cron job executes, the result is going to be outputted in this log file, le-renew.log, and that's going to be located in the var folder. So you can see that the actual command is let's encrypt renew, and that's what's going to renew the certificate. So I'll save this by pressing Ctrl X and then entering Y when prompted, and then enter to save. And so with our cron job created, we no longer have to worry about our certificate expiring. Now I'm going to go ahead and close down PuTTY. We would like to thank you for learning with us and hope you enjoyed this course. You now know how to set up a basic server configuration using DigitalOcean and secure your website content using a free SSL certificate. If you're new to this process, you might be interested in expanding your skills and becoming a professional in the field of web development. If so, be sure to check out our Web Development Masterclass. This course will take you from beginner to expert in developing fully responsive, database-driven web applications using the latest web technologies. We also teach you how to deploy, configure, and secure virtual cloud servers to set up scalable hosting solutions that can grow with the needs